Hey everyone, I'm Jason Gillette. Take a look at this gorgeous Oxford White 2021 Ford Mustang GT. The GT series offers so much in this package. Let's check it out together. So the first thing it offers is the 5-liter V8 Coyote engine under the hood, but now 460 horsepower. That will make those rear tires squeal for sure. Then you have these gorgeous LED headlights up front and LED fog lights. They are fully automatic, set it and forget it, including auto high beam. This also has a forward collision system, which means if you don't brake and someone cuts you off, it'll brake for you. That saves lives and saves you some money on insurance. You have these awesome 18-inch black-clad aluminum alloy wheels on the side, wrapped in some nice P0 tires. The 5.0 decal right on the side there, letting everybody know you got the Coyote V8 color match mirrors. The mirrors are a power heated mirror with a blind spot detection that lights up when somebody's in your blind spot. Great for a sports car. To get in or out of this car, you can just put your hand in the door handle. It'll unlock with the heat of your hands. You can press this with your thumb and it will lock. You also have this fob right here with unlock, lock, remote hatch, as well as your alarm system. And this vehicle has FordPass, which means you can download the app and do this anywhere in the world, all from your cell phone. That is awesome. Come to the back of this and you see that nice lip spoiler, the GT emblem back here, the nice quad-tipped exhaust that sounds amazing, and you have rear park sensors and a rear backup camera. Vehicle also has cross-path detection, so while you're backing up, if it senses anything coming from the side, it is going to let you know. Let's go inside this one and take a look at some of those features. Open up the driver's door here and you see we've got the unlock and lock, our power mirrors and power windows, nice white stitching there, beautiful interior trim. On the dash, you set it and forget it, headlights and fog lights. I love all that dash trim on there too. The seats are so comfortable in these, well bolstered, and they are a power seat. Mustang and put right into the seat there, and you do have a back seat if you've got some people that like to come with you. You can put people in the back. Jump inside here. This does have the push button ignition, so we just go ahead and hit this button right here, fires up. Man, that sounds great. You got a beautiful 6-speed short throw shifter here. Come inside there and you've got a nice digital display. You can have a digital speedometer in here, but I love this. We can actually go into the track apps and you can look at all sorts of cool things. You've got an accelerometer. You've got an acceleration timer, brake performance, line lock. Line lock means it will actually hold the front brake so you can do a brake stand in this vehicle. Got a lap timer, launch control, so you can actually set the RPMs when you mat the gas pedal to the floor of what you want it to launch in. It's got rev matching for downshifting. You've got just so many cool things in this car for performance features. And then we've got volume controls on our steering wheel for our stereo, cruise control, controls for that display up top. We also have all our Bluetooth controls here for your hands-free. We do have on the signal light stock a lane departure system, so the vehicle can actually detect the lanes and it'll either put you back in your lane or alert you if you're going over them. On this side, we've got all our wiper switches here, which is nice, and the wiper does have an automatic setting there as well, so you can just have it rain sensing. We've got the nice 3 vents up here. We've got our stereo controls, including the Bluetooth controls. We've got volume controls on the dash of the stereo. We've got all our air conditioning controls here, our engine start button, 4-way flashers, and then we do have our traction control button and our steering button. What does the steering button do? When I press this, you can actually go between normal, sport, and comfort. Really cool, for way better responsive feel when you're driving this car. A USB outlet, a 12-volt outlet, again, that short throw shifter. We've got our cup holders here, and then we've got a nice little center console with another 12-volt and another USB inside there, which is great. I love the Mustang badging up on the dash. We do have an electrochromatic auto dimming mirror here. Got some nice map lights up top, and again, you know, performance out of this vehicle, it just sounds amazing. That 5-liter sounds great, and the feel of this car is awesome. All right, everyone, thanks for taking a look at this beautiful Oxford White GT. Do me a huge favor and click subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and hit that bell notifications item and be notified every time I make a video. Have a great day.